This is the look, guys. What do you think about the eyes? Isn't not just eat. So I did my makeup on live, guys. Thank you so much if you joined my live. My honey got me flowers. Thanks, babe.
Love you.
Finished with the foundation. I'm gonna move on to some e.l.f. concealer, and we're gonna bronze up the face. I never start off with the eye first. I might have to set this because if I don't set it right away, it's gonna crease, and I'm not having it crease on me. Look how beautiful that powder is. I'm trying out new ways to contour my nose. Let's set all over the face. If you make it this far in the video, drop a green heart. It's looking really good. The skin is skinning. I love putting shadows on the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna grab a lighter purple. Wow. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Lip plumper, black eyeliner, lip liner, and I like to overdraw my top lip. Charlotte Tilbury. I think this looks very beautiful with this eye. I like a lot. All done. It is so beautiful. I took my hair down. I'm so in love with this look, and the lips is just like everything. Thank you for watching. Mwah.